Gonna make this lentil stew today, really simple. Some brown lentils, some tomatoes, some other vegetables in there, cumin, garlic, absolutely delicious. Vegetarian, healthy and vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we've got 3 cups there of cooked brown lentils, 2 cups of tomato, try and use a nice ripe juicy tomato, 2 cups of potatoes, 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of celery, 1 cup of bell peppers, I'm using green. That's 1 carrot, kind of just a regular sized carrot, tablespoon of garlic. We're going to be adding some cumin to this as well, and salt and pepper. Now just to let you know that when you cook the lentils, they will kind of double up in size, so you want to cook about 1.5 cups. So I've got a saucepan here, and in there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using olive oil. You can change that if you want. And I've just put the heat on, and it's on an above medium heat. We're going to go in with 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of celery, all cut nice and small. Carrots, I mean you could put more carrot in if you want. I just add 1 today. And a tablespoon of garlic. 3 or 4 minutes. Let's just throw this around in the pan and get them on their way. Okay, beautiful. Next up, we're going to add in 2 cups of potato, which I've peeled and cut again fairly small. I'm going to add some salt, some black pepper, a couple of pinches of that, and 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of fresh tomato, and like I say, try and use a nice juicy ripe one. And we want to cook this for about 5 minutes now, staying on this heat. And what we want to do is get those tomatoes to break down. They may give off some moisture, that's what I'm hoping. Okay, look, so I'm very fortunate that I got tons of liquid out of my juicy ripe tomatoes. If you didn't, don't worry about that, because we're going to top it up with some water or something. So let's get those bell peppers in. That's our last vegetable. Now, of course, you could be using any other vegetables you want. We're now going to add in the 3 cups of cooked brown lentils. We're going to give that a little mix. So I'm going to add some water to this. If you want, you could be adding some stock or something, some vegetable stock or something like that. That's enough for me. Right, we're going to lower the heat. Not to a simmer, but just to above a simmer. I'm going to get a lid on that, and I'm going to let it go for about 6 or 7 minutes. Okay, let's turn the heat off. Let's get the lid off, let the steam out. And there we go, we've got a really lovely little lentil stew there. Now if you want a cup maybe of cilantro, coriander, parsley, or even fresh mint in there, could be really nice. Check that for salt. For me, that's perfect. Simple and delightful. And there you go, really beautiful. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.